What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Sui. Wanted to do a quick update on that, on if there's any hope, because Sui obviously has suffered a lot in the last, what shall we say, in the last week, a little bit over a week. It started last week, Thursday, that we went down from 1.2 all the way down to 95 cents at the bottom. So in this video, we'll talk about what's going on with Sui and what to expect. So we'll talk. We'll take a look at some network statistics. I always do that with Sui. I think it's very important to know how it's doing, their blockchain and the ecosystem. But apart from that, I also do a little bit of a technical update. Last time around, what I said is that we would probably find support right here at 95 cents and 94, or let's say 94, 96. Usually, like 95 is a strong key level, but usually you have an area around that level. So last time around I said that we would actually need to get some bullish momentum from there if we wanted to prevent a drop down all the way to 85 cents, which at this point of time seems like the next strong support level. You can see with Sui that we kind of move in 0.05 incrementals, and those are the strongest levels. So in that methodology, 0.85 cents would be the next support, and if we get a lot of bearish momentum, for example from Bitcoin as well, we could easily drop down there. So that's kind of that's the thing to be afraid of, but I'm actually a little bit more bullish on Sui. But that's what we'll talk about. Before we get into that, if you want to receive daily trading signals from me, check out the links down in the description or in the pinned comment, and there you will find instructions on how to join. Now on to Sui. So if we take a look at the network statistics again, it's not looking great. All right, last time we took a look at it, we saw that the daily active addresses had dropped down below 1,000 sometimes. It's still kind of that way. The average over the last week is still above 2,000, but that's also with this spike in there. Daily transaction blocks are clearly in a downtrend. Total value locked right now has reached an all-time low of 20 million, which is just very low. So it's not looking great for Sui. Now that does not mean that it will not look great and that it cannot recover. It's just far from an ideal start. So all right now, if we take a look at the technicals, the current situation is that we're finding support at that 95 cents area, and we're struggling with breaking above $1, which is a big psychological level, of course. So what we would need to do to actually at least confirm that we are able to stay in this area between 1.05 or 1.04 and 95 cents is to get some sort of a bullish breakout above $1. If we can do that, then at least we're in this consolidation, right? And then we're probably not, unless Bitcoin crashes, but then we're probably not going to drop down to 85 cents soon. I think it's hard to say, but I actually do expect that. I do not expect us to drop down to 85 cents soon. It's a possibility in these markets, it always is, I just don't expect it. I think it's more likely that we'll be able to break above $1, get up to 1.04. Now then it actually gets interesting, because I think there's an opportunity for some bullish momentum as well in crypto. Excuse me, I was called. I think there's an opportunity for some bullish momentum as well. For example, the dollar strength index is falling a bit right now. If that continues falling, we could be in for some bullish momentum. So that's the reason why I think we can get up there. If then we can actually hold a consolidation between 1.04 and $1 for like 2 days, then that's enough of a bullish confirmation for me to believe that we can get all the way up to 1.08 and 1.1 again. So I actually think at this point of time, bullish momentum is more likely. Would I trade it? Would I invest in Sui right now? No, just because the markets in general are too unpredictable and unstable right now. But it does look like the most likely scenario, even though the network is doing not well, not great, and the technicals at this point of time still are not bullish. All right, so it is really a prediction, and we'll see. I'll keep you updated on Sui though. For now, this is my take. So if you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.